If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, what's going on today, everyone? I just wanted to bring you in here to look at a chart for the Euro USD. I know you guys are used to me always bringing you in for a trade. Today we're going to do things a little bit different. I just wanted to show you a nice little nifty play I like to do that you can see the setup from time to time, and I will go over it with you guys. This is a bit of a freebie. Normally you would have to go either into the shadow trading program or the Informed Traders educational package to pick up on some knowledge like this, but I will let you guys in on this one. But first, I do want to let you guys know that week number 3 for the shadow trading program for the month of May has been fantastic. We had 6 total trades last week, 5 of which were winners, and 1 was actually our first loss for the entire month so far, which is fantastic on its own. But not only that, we were more than able to make up for the loss plus some in that same session that we endured the loss. So that was our first trade for that evening. And then on the second trade, I told everyone that I was adding more contracts onto the second trade, thus turning that loss into a now profitable session from the extra profits we were able to gain on that second trade. So I did want to let you guys know about that the month of May has been going fantastic so far, and also to show you this here. So basically what we got going on, excuse me for a second. Yeah, sorry, my alarm's about to go off for the the shadow trading group to get everyone set up. So I just wanted to turn that off real quick. But I will show you guys this here. We have a big downward trend, right? Yes. So what you see here, I've mapped out some previous resistance and support points. And in the future, you see these support points did work once again. But that's not what we're looking at. We're going to be focusing on this section here. And basically, it's something I love to do utilizing the Bollinger Bands and the RSI indicators. So you see here, and this is one of those things you're not always going to see situations like this, but if you're waiting for opportunity to be confident in and to be reliable most of the time, this is just a quick, simple way to calculate the profitability of a long-term strategy. At least for this trade can be in the short term, but you can use this strategy over and over and over again. Basically here we have a new lower low compared to the rest of the candles here, and we breached on the RSI. That's a very important thing. You definitely want to breach on the RSI, not just touch it like here, because as you can see, had you gotten in on that one, we'd still have a big downtrend. So you want it to come down, breach, retrace a little bit, and it may not be right next to it like this. Sometimes it may be over here, and vice versa. But we have a breach here, a little bit pullback, another breach. This candle it closes lower, but the RSI closes higher. And what that tells us is that there's going to be a change in the trend, at least in the short term. And as you can see, if you played this all the way up to the center Bollinger, take profits here, boom, nice profits there, guys. And I do this all the time with the shadow trading group, and it's something you can learn to look for on any time frame. But I do highly recommend to make sure you check out, hourly time frame if you're going to be doing 5-minute trades. Check out 5-minute time frame if you're going to be doing 5-minute binaries, if that makes sense. Like, look at the 5-minute candles, and then if you see something like this, you can know to get in on the next candle after that, and you should be able to get some nice short-term profits in that 5-minute period. So I hope this isn't too confusing for you guys, and I hope this does help. And I do hope you can utilize this as a nice strategy on your own time. and I hope you learned something here. And if you did, give a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start making this money together.